What's the meaning of crash helmet? Crash helmet. Crash helmet.
Crash helmet. Crash helmet. A crash helmet is a type of protective headgear worn by individuals for safety in various activities, most commonly in motorsports such as motorcycle racing. The helmet is designed to protect the wearer's head in the event of an impact or fall, absorbing the force and reducing the risk of head injury. It features a hard outer shell made of materials such as fiberglass, carbon fiber or Kevlar, with an inner layer of foam padding for additional shock absorption. This type of helmet is crucial for anyone engaging in high-speed activities, where accidents may occur.